Hello and welcome to the third grade PowerPoint for Back to School Night. My name is Kathy Wiafe.
My name is Marley Ahmed Cox.
And I am Amanda Swihart.
We have this PowerPoint to help you understand third grade expectations. However, each teacher, depending on the subject, might have different expectations, and we will let you know more about that at open house.
Our schedules will all be very similar. We will start with a morning meeting where we greet students and students will greet each other. We'll move into whole group reading, small group reading, and walk to read. We'll follow that with math right before specials, followed by recess and lunch. And we will do writing, an extra recess in the afternoon, and science and social studies at the end of the day.
For reading, we will use a variety of materials, including wonders, novels, and some nonfiction materials. For small groups, we use assessments to decide which small group the student should be in based on their individual needs. We use Dibbles, star reading, and other classroom evidence. Walk to read is small group instruction in order to meet the needs of our students again, in which we reteach concepts, we provide enrichment, and we may use various materials.
We will practice writing each day, focusing on instructions through Lucy Calkins and Writer's Workshop. We'll also use elements of Step Up to Writing, and this year we'll focus on narratives, opinion writing, and informational writing.
For math, we use math expressions, but of course that's not the only thing that we use. It's all standards-based. We have real-world problems, modeling, conceptual language, exemplars, develop mathematical ideas that make sense to them so they're able to build that knowledge. Students will have daily classwork and homework, small group assistance and support. There will be a review before each test, and then continuous computational review. We also do ST Math. The homework piece will be open soon. We have, for wonders, we start with multiplication division. We do the first 2 units, then we do unit 3. We tend to mix up how we're going to do the units just so they can be better prepared for what they need for CMAS testing. But we'll let you know what we're doing.
Our social studies curriculum will focus on Colorado Springs history. You'll also see some basic economics as well as civics. And the main days that we'll focus on throughout the year include Constitution Day, Veterans Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and President's Day.
For science, our science kits have changed this year. So we will be focusing on weather, forces in motion, and ecosystems. Now, if your child has been at Chipeta for second grade, they already did weather and forces in motion. So we'll make sure that we are reviewing what they've already learned, but also teaching them new concepts.
What you will see in a third grade classroom is student-led classrooms with student choices. Students are promoting self-advocacy more and are more responsible for their own learning. You will also see project-based learning and lots of small group work.
For what we grade on, we use the Colorado Academic Standards. We use a standards-based report card. Grades are based on mastery of standards, and grades are reported on at the end of each quarter. Grades and scores are not averaged over the duration of the quarter.
Parent help. We always appreciate parents volunteering in the classroom. Please join our PTA and our SAC, and if you can support us with Apex Fun Run, we would greatly appreciate it.
We'd like to give you more information individually as classroom teachers about our individual expectations for each room. While this PowerPoint gave you a brief bit of information about what you can see in third grade, we would like it if you would join us on August 29th from 5:30 to 7:30 so that we can explain more and your students can share what they've already been learning. Hope to see you soon.